guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing activewear from Boohoo. Now I was looking on their website and I noticed that they've got a lot of like really nice sets that are very affordable actually, and they look quite nice quality. They're all kind of like the seam-free style and really colourful, and I'm all about that. So I got quite a range. I also got some non-colourful options because I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, and I just thought I would do a review video for you guys so we can actually see if the quality is gym safe, because I love, you know, affordable activewear, but I also don't want to flash everyone when I drop a squat. So we're going to test it out, see what the quality is like. I like it to kind of cinch me in as well. Like I like a sturdy elastic rather than it just kind of feeling a bit flimsy. So let's just give it all a go. So as usual, everything will be linked down below in the order that I try it on if you'd like to check anything out. I wear a size UK 8 or size small in everything, but again, I'll put my measurements down below just so you can clarify and compare if you would like to. But this is the first set I thought I'd show you guys, and I've got to say, first glance, I'm really impressed with the thickness of this fabric. So it's really sturdy, elastic, and it's got a lot of like pull back, if that makes sense. Like this will really cinch you in. Now this is the size small top, but obviously because it's so stretchy it is deceiving, and it does have just some nice little pads in there, but they are removable if you don't want them, and the straps are adjustable as well, which is perfect. So I love the colour of this. So this is Forest, they call it, but it's kind of like a greeny blue, I would say, but it's a gorgeous colour. And then these are the bottoms. So these are again that lovely tight elastic, and they're all seam free, which is quite nice. Now I'm never sure on this shadowing below the butt cheeks because I have quite large butt cheeks. I always find it just like accentuates, but also it's a little bit strange, but sometimes I like it and sometimes I'm not so sure. So we'll see what these ones look like on. But thickness wise, I mean, there is no way you're seeing through that, even with light going through it. These are really nice quality, I've got to say. I'm quite impressed and quite surprised. I wasn't quite expecting this. And they do have woman written on the side, which matches like their Boohoo Man and Boohoo Woman collections. So let's just throw these on and see what they fit like. So honestly, the fit of this, it feels amazing, but I will just mention the top, I think I just need a size up, but the straps, I'm not sure on their placement. Like I think these would look better a bit more outside, but maybe that's just me. It feels lovely and supportive. The back of it is extremely cute as well. I just think maybe a medium might just give me a bit more space here, because I don't like armpit boob, and I'm getting a bit of armpit boob in this. But it's cute. If you're going to wear a top over the top, I mean, it's nice. But the leggings, I love them, but I'm not sure on these shadow lines. So let me know what you think, but they're so nice and stretchy, they're lovely and thick. This band feels amazing, like it's so supportive where you want it to be. I mean, they look nice. I'm not sure about this shadow band coming like 1 inch below, but I don't know. Let me know what you think. They are, I mean, I could 100% work out in this, have no problems whatsoever. They're not going to go see-through because they're thick. But yeah, I'm getting used to them, but I love the colour of them. I do like the colour, and maybe if these were all like one colour they would look strange as well, so I don't know. Let me know what you think. I tried to get everything in sets, so this is the next one I'm going to show you guys, and this was like a really cute like cycling short two-piece. Only thing I would say, I got this one, there is a string hanging off that. I got this one because of the price. This one was extremely cheap in the sale, and I really like the kind of grey effect of this pattern. But I've got to say, feeling it, especially the top, it is nowhere near as nice as the last set. Like this is really thin, and it almost, it doesn't pull back as quickly. Like I feel like after a few wears, this might just not fit as nice anymore. But for the price, I mean, you get what you pay for, isn't it? So I think this could just be a better quality elastic. Like it does pull back, but it's hard to explain. It's just not as like quick as the other ones or as thick, but I like the style of it. So let's see what it looks like on, because it might be like a cute loungewear one. I'm not sure I'd wear this to the gym. It's not so bad. It's not thick, like let's put it that way, but it's not actually as see-through as I was expecting, so could work. Let's just see what it fits like. Okay, so this one fits a little weird. Like the top I really like, I like the wide straps, I like the white edging, but the shorts are really weird around the crotch. Like, there's a lot of excess fabric here, which us females don't need. And I double checked, I don't have them back to front. They just look a bit strange. And then they've got a really tight base to them. So the same elastic that's at the waist is at the base of the thighs. So if you have like slightly thicker thighs, they're just a bit of a strange fit, and they're not actually that high-waisted. Like, I don't know, and the stretch, they're not holding you in at all, they're just kind of sat on you, which isn't a bad thing, but I'm not feeling these shorts. Like, the price was right, but the fit doesn't feel it, but it looks fine. So, I mean, you guys could try it if you're up for it, but I'm not sure on this one. They're just not quite what I was expecting. Like, I was hoping for the same fabric as the first one, but it's just not, it's not as thick. So it just doesn't quite hug you as nicely. But yeah, that's this one. The next set I'm going to show you guys is a black set. Now, I think black gym wear, it's a staple, you know, it's really practical, it doesn't show sweat, but that doesn't mean it has to be boring. Now, I fell in love with this set because it's, you know, that simple black design, but it has these reflector strips on it, which reflect multicolor kind of iridescent designs. So you can kind of see the colors in them there. But I don't quite know how to show you their true potential without having to turn all the lights off and putting flash on. So I'll link it down below, and if you like the sound of it, you'll have to check it out, because on the leggings as well, they have these reflector strips on it in like pairs, which I think are just super cool. Now, the leggings are extremely slinky, which yeah, I'm afraid these do not pass my gym test vibe. I mean, look at that. Oh my God, they are like tights. So I'm afraid this set does fail the gym wear test. But the bra, it's a lovely shape, and I mean, that's rockable with like any other brand leggings, but I don't recommend these. They're just too thin, but let's try them on and see what they fit like. But the fabric it's just not sturdy at all or thick, so just one of those things. So these ones have a really funny problem. So the sports bra, love it. Really nice fit. The back of it is super cute as well. The leggings, they're super stretchy in this fabric. Where the reflective bands are, they are ridiculously tight, to the point where the ones that go around the shin area here, I could barely get over my feet, let alone my legs. So these, yeah, I'm afraid these are gonna have to be a no for me. I don't know if you guys can see like the bulge that goes in between the two panels. It's just, it's literally like I've tied string around my thigh kind of look. So they're cute, but obviously this fabric's too thin to wear to the gym anyway, and they're not a comfortable fit on like thighs and legs. So unless you've got super, super slim legs, I'm afraid these are reflective bands, they're just not our friends. But you could buy the top, because you do buy these separately. So if you liked having the reflective top here, maybe you're a runner, because it's probably really practical to go running in, because car headlights will catch it. But no, it's cute, but they have not thought about this legging issue here. They've played with two different fabrics, but cute, but I'm afraid it's a no from me. So the next set I got is this beautiful grey rib set. Now, again, this reminds me of the quality that I showed you with the first one. It's that kind of really sturdy, thick elastic, and they all seem to be from this woman collection. So they must just, this collection is just one step above the rest of their stuff. I really, really like it, and I love that these are just simple and plain, and you can just see the rib effect on it there. And what I love about these is the seam is a lot more blended than in some of their other designs, because depending on your figure type, sometimes that seam is more obvious than on other people. I just think it can look a bit like, almost like thermals that you would wear under a ski suit kind of thing. So I like that these are just simple. They're kind of cropped as well a little bit, so it's so stretchy, I love that. So we'll see what these fit like on me. And then I did get a matching top with them as well. And again, it's just made of that lovely tight ribbed fabric, to the point where, like, depending on your chest size, this is like a built-in sports bra, it's that tight. So it's really practical. They don't have any thumb holes, but I mean, that's just a lovely like crop sport top. So no, let's try it on. I like the fact that it's not just grey, it's got like the grey mottled effect, just because I think that shows sweat that little bit less. So let's just see what this one fits like. So this is how it looks like on, and I've got to say, I like how it looks like on, but to get it on was torture. Now I know I said that I loved how thick this elastic was and it was that really strong kind of pullback fabric, but oh my god, to get these leggings on, to get this top on was really difficult. Like the armholes, they don't stretch enough. It's like a really strong stretch, so you have to like fight with it to get it on. My feet were almost too fat to go through the leg holes, which for activewear or gym leggings, you expect them to go on super easily, and these did not. Like, I love how they fit, they're super high-waisted, they cinch me in, but I mean, this was more like shapewear right down to my ankles than anything else, and this top is cutting off my blood circulation. Like, I can feel my hands going funny because the arms are so tight on it. Like, there's this elastic is like almost, it's like squeezing, it's compression all down my arms. So I would size up in the top and keep in mind that the leggings, they are true to size, like they fit really nice, but they are not easy to get on. And if you have long nails, be careful. These leggings, you know, they're asking for a fight. But I mean, fit wise, it is super cute and it's as I expected, just yeah, a bit more tricky to get on than I would have liked, but this is what it looks like. So the next set I got is also by their woman collection as well, so it has that little signature on the side, and I can just already tell that I'm going to be so impressed with it. It's so sturdy elastic, so it just holds you in. It's almost like shapewear, but it's gym wear, so it's just so nice. I love it. Not sure on this colour for my skin tone though, so I wanted to try it. It's kind of like a baby blue, so you guys will have to let me know if it's the right colour for me or whether the more richer ones are better. But no, gorgeous and stretchy. I love that. And then the t-shirt style with this one, it's like a short sleeve one, which I prefer short sleeves when I'm doing exercise or yoga just because they're less restrictive. And this is so nice and stretchy. Look at that. I love it. So let's put this on and see what it fits like. So this is how this one fits, and I've got to say I really like it. Only thing I will mention, the arms are just a little bit tight with the elastic. So they're not too tight, they just feel tight, but maybe it's just something to get used to. You have full range of movement. It's just almost like a sports bra for my arms, but that's just something, if you are someone who goes to the gym a lot and you have quite muscular arms, like just keep that in mind. But overall, it's a really cute set. I just don't know if the colour is the best colour for me. I think like a deeper blue suits me more. But the fit of it is lovely. The leggings are nice because they're not too clingy. Like they don't ride up everywhere. They're just kind of like nice leggings. Because I find some leggings, if they're a thinner fabric, they literally go into every crevice and I might as well just be wearing spray paint. But these are really cute. I think these are just a lovely option actually. The length of them is lovely, the fit is lovely. I could happily wear this to the gym. I'm just not sure on the colour on me personally. So, no, I like this one. But again, I think I would recommend sizing up one in the top. I think it will just make it a bit more comfortable to wear. Because the leggings are really comfortable and they're not too tight. Whereas I just noticed that my arms really don't like how tight the sleeves are on their tops. So, yeah, I would recommend a medium in the top. But no, I mean, it's cute. Let me know what you think. So the last things I'm going to show you guys is all kind of just black, different style bits and bobs that kind of all just go together. So I got 3 tops and 1 pair of leggings by the look of it. So I'll start with the leggings because unfortunately, you know when you can just tell when you touch them? I love the style of these. So they've got like these mesh kind of designs with this white strip, and I love black and white together. But first thing, I don't like that they don't join up. That kind of annoys me. Like if you're gonna stitch them, you know, make the lines join up. That's like just a pet peeve of mine. Other problem is they are as thin, if not thinner, than the pair I showed you earlier. Like you should not be able to see that much skin through them when you stretch them, because these, I'm just not going to be able to wear these to the gym. And they're so cute with their stripes, but I will try them on to see what they look like. But yeah, the fabric of these, it's not sturdy, it's not going to hold you in, and you might be sharing a bit more of your butt crack with people than you probably intended. But I love the style of them. So as like lounging around the house leggings, they could be cute. And then the tops I got a few. So these are kind of like yoga tops, and I've got to say, this one feels really nice. So it looks like this, and it has like a metal emblem on it. It's quite bougie. So this has like these cut out details on the top here and on the back, and it's like their yoga collection, and that's really cute, and that's thick. That is thicker than the leggings. Like, you're not going to see anything through that. So Boohoo, if you're watching this, make your leggings out of this. This is good. So that's really cute. So I'll try that one on first, and then the next one I got, I love this so much. It's just like a tank kind of sport top, but it's got like all the weaving straps at the back. So I think that's going to look super cute with black leggings. So I had to try that one. I thought that's really nice. And it's nice quality. It's not bad. Feels like a swimming costume, but that's kind of nice for gym wear. And then this is the final thing I got, that even though it's sportwear, I was thinking more of wearing it with jeans. It's an open back jumper design. So this would look really cute, like over a sports bra or a bralette, just because it's got that open back, but it's got a very simple front to it. So I thought this could look cute, but it does feel incredibly thin. I was expecting just a bit of a nicer quality fabric. It's just a bit kind of rough cotton. It's the only way I can describe it. But let's go try this all on. So this is how the top fits. Now, I love the top. I think these cutouts are really cute. There's another set of cutouts on the back as well, which are just really nice. I think for yoga, this is the type of thing I would wear. Like, it's a bit unusual, but kind of practical as well. So it's fun. And I love the quality of this top. It's that lovely kind of thick fabric. So it's just perfect. And it's really stretchy. It's nice. But I'm appalled with the leggings. I can't get them on. So they are super stretchy. Like, all of this fabric is super stretchy, but they haven't thought about fabric at all. Stretchy. Not stretchy. So this mesh fabric here, I can't get my foot past. So you can see it's kind of got like mesh in it, and they haven't accounted for the stretch. So you've got super stretchy leggings that my feet won't go through because of these little mesh panels. So really poor design, unfortunately. I love the black and white, but if I can't get them on, they're kind of pointless really. But the top is a yes, but the trousers are a no. So I'm going to now try on the next top for you guys. So this is how this one fits, and I absolutely love this one. I don't think it's appropriate for all types of exercise, but for like yoga or something like that, it is just gorgeous. And the back of it is my favorite part. Like, I just love the backless design and all the strings. I think it's just beautiful. So now I really rate this one. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's just really nice to wear. And it's black, it's gonna go with literally all of my gym wear. So no, I rate this one. I think it's a lovely option. So this is how this one fits, and I mean, it's cute, but there's two things. I don't like the quality of the fabric, and the second thing is I wish I could like tie one of these ties at the back. So it's not really adjustable at all, but it is cute. I think it would look lovely over the top of a sports bra. But I want it to be that little bit softer. Like, I just think it's a little bit ill-fitting and a bit of a rough cotton. So I'm not sure on this one. They also do it in a grey colour, which might be quite cute. But yeah, I think I could find a nicer quality one out there. So this one is a no from me. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Everything will be linked down below if you'd like to check any of the items out, along with my social media if you'd like to follow me on there. But thank you again for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.